the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound?
Welcome back, folks. It's your DCS right back again with the Hot Wheels box right here. So before we begin with today's car, I just want to tell, I really feel that it has been a really long week since I've uploaded any of my YouTube videos, but of course it is just a week. So yeah, guys, and I've got some really big news. Since you guys know, I'm actually coming up with my exams. So my exams are coming up, you know, and it's kind of a trouble making YouTube videos, but don't worry, I'm not gonna stop my YouTube video making. That's gonna continue, but the only problem is that won't be the same as what I'm doing now, guys. It's gonna be a bit short, and yeah, it's a bit short. That's it, just my intro. I mean, yeah, the usual car intro and the unboxing, guys. So that's gonna be the videos for just a couple of months. I hope you guys will cooperate with that. So yeah, that was the message which I wanted to tell, guys. I'm really sorry if I disappointed you, but the information will have to wait a bit later. So yeah, moving on to today's Hot Wheels series. It's got 3 out of 5 in HRV Turbo, not the same with the Hot Wheels Flame. This time it's the Range Rover Velar, a very cool performance SUV, but also it is really expensive, even though it has a lot of fake vents here and there, which is not good for a really expensive SUV. It's kind of good and it's manageable. It really looks stylish, guys. I really love the design. It's very, very nice, and we'll talk about its performance in the information. That's for now. First, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. That was the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Check it out. It'll be up on the screen right here if you want to check out that cool classic car. So yeah, guys, as I told you about the you know, the thing which I wanted to tell, then making the video short thing. So now let's go for the unboxing. Okay, looks like we skipped the unboxing part, guys, but that doesn't matter. And one more thing, guys, yeah, as I'm gonna start off with a new series in the upcoming week, I just want to name that series. As it's gonna be short, guys, I'm gonna name it the Short Wheels series, guys. Yeah, instead of the Hot Wheels, it's gonna be called the Short Wheels series. So comment your opinion about this. Let me know what are your thoughts on this name, guys. So yeah, moving on to the looks and details. Yes, the Range Rover Velar looks pretty damn amazing up close too. Of course, the details are kind of misaligned, like the headlamp details, the grille details, and even the badge, the Range Rover badge is kind of misaligned, but it's alright. As we move on to the sides, we have those large wheel rims, which is really cool. And you've got the side view mirrors also, that's appreciable. Good job done by Hot Wheels. As we move on to the rear, we have got the tail lamp details, that's pretty damn awesome. And also we've got the Hot Wheels logo too, that's so cool. But we missed the exhaust details, guys. That's alright. The car is pretty damn nice. And as we look up in the tint, guys, yes, the tint, it's completely black and you can slightly see the interior. Yeah, that's really nice, guys. I really like the look on this car. It's so damn nice. You even got the side view mirrors. How cool is that? That's so damn nice. So why don't we just go for the information now, as we have taken a round look. Here we go. Let's talk Velar, guys, as it is the information of this cool and amazingly powerful Range Rover Velar. It's time to go for the engine, guys, at first. So yeah, beginning with the engine is a 5-liter AJ133 supercharged V8, guys. Of course, there are the 4 cylinders, but I'm just gonna mention the top ones, guys, the top end engines. So yeah, you got the supercharged V8, which is really powerful. And talking about powerful, the horsepower of this engine is 542 horsepower. That's, oh my god, amazing power there. And it's a 4-wheel drive, guys. Talking about the body style. The body style is a 5-door SUV, obviously. Going for the transmission is an 8-speed automatic. In all variants, guys, you get the 8-speed automatic. Well, going for the production actually began in 2017 and it's still continuing at the present. That is pretty nice. Well, yeah, moving on to the 0 to 60 time, guys. The 0 to 60 time is 4.3 seconds. Can you believe that? That's 4.3 seconds. It's almost close to you know, an old supercar. That's amazing. Well, talking about the top speed is 170 miles per hour. That's 273 kilometers per hour. Again, incredible speed and performance. That's so cool. But equally, the price is pretty, you know, high. Well, yeah, talking about the price is, yeah, it's beginning from $58,050 to about $95,000, and with some more options, you go up to $100,000. That is pretty damn expensive, but you gotta pay the price. So yeah, moving for the weight, guys, the weight of this car is 1,959 kilograms. That's the curb weight, guys. Time about the length of this car is 4,803 millimeters. Time about the width of this car is 2,032 millimeters, guys. So there it is. That was the specs of the Velar, and now going for its rating. As we know the information, it's time for the rating. So yeah, ratings, looking at its performance and its amazing looks, I give it a 9.5. It deserves it, guys. Like, really, it deserves it. Comment your ratings down below and comment your opinion about my short video. Yeah, that concept. Yeah, so comment your opinion about that, guys. I'll see you all next week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you then. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.